The trucking industry is changing faster than most people realize, and it's not just about bigger engines or stronger chassis anymore. It's about automation, intelligence, and technology that makes every single operation faster, safer, and more profitable. Today, we're covering 10 systems and technologies that are actively transforming how the world moves heavy loads, from trailers that think for themselves to coupling systems that eliminate human error completely. Some of these will surprise you. Let's get into it. Wind turbine blades are some of the largest objects ever transported on public roads. Some stretch over 300 feet long, and they need to reach mountaintops, dense forests, and remote locations that normal trucks cannot access. The Kameto BladeMax 1000 exists for exactly this problem. Its hydraulic lifting system can raise a massive turbine blade at steep angles, tilting it precisely to clear trees, navigate sharp mountain curves, and pass through tight spaces that should be impossible for something this size. Dozens of electronically steered wheels work together to distribute weight and maintain balance, even on unstable terrain, even in harsh weather conditions. Every movement is calculated, every turn is controlled, nothing is left to chance, and the stakes couldn't be higher. A single damaged blade can cost millions of dollars and set an entire wind farm project back by months. The BladeMax 1000 makes sure that never happens. Renewable energy is changing the world, but getting that energy infrastructure into place requires machines that most people never even knew existed. This is one of them. Moving a 50,000-pound harvester from one job site to another isn't just logistics, it's an engineering challenge. The Cemet M364 is built specifically to solve it. This low-loader trailer sits closer to the ground than standard trailers, and that one design decision changes everything. Lower center of gravity means better stability, safer highway handling, and more control on the kind of uneven terrain that forestry and construction crews deal with every day. 3 axles and a reinforced wide deck distribute the weight so efficiently that even the heaviest equipment, tractors, harvesters, massive construction machines, travels without putting excessive stress on the trailer or the towing vehicle. Loading and unloading is fast and secure, which matters when crews are working against tight schedules on remote job sites. And because it's built for genuinely demanding environments, this isn't a trailer that needs constant attention. It's designed to perform reliably, job after job, for years. In industries where equipment is worth millions and downtime costs thousands per hour, the Cemet M364 is the kind of trailer that pays for itself. Low, strong, unstoppable. In trucking, every extra kilogram your trailer weighs is a kilogram you can't charge for. The AMT TKL 404 is built around one obsession: carry more, weigh less. This 4-axle tipping trailer is engineered as a lightweight volume tipper, which means operators can legally haul heavier payloads without exceeding weight limits. More material per trip, more revenue per day. Gravel, soil, bulk construction goods. The reinforced chassis and optimized body handle it all without adding unnecessary weight to the equation. 4 axles keep everything balanced during loading, transport, and tipping, so even on busy job sites and tight loading areas, the trailer stays stable and easy to maneuver. Optional automatic covering systems mean cargo stays protected without slowing down the operation. And durable internal lining reduces wear, cutting long-term maintenance costs significantly. For fleet operators, the math is simple. Less weight means better fuel efficiency. Better fuel efficiency means lower costs. Lower costs mean higher profits. The AMT-TKL 404 doesn't just haul heavy loads, it makes every single load more profitable. Truck drivers deal with massive blind spots every single day, and those blind spots cause accidents that injure thousands of people every year. The Freightliner Cascadia MirrorCam system is designed to make blind spots a thing of the past. Instead of large external mirrors, compact cameras mounted on the exterior feed real-time visuals directly to high-resolution displays inside the cabin. Wider view, clearer image, zero head strain, rain, low light, highway speeds. The cameras keep performing where traditional mirrors would struggle. And the aerodynamic benefit is real. Removing those large mirror arms reduces drag significantly, and on long-haul routes covering hundreds of thousands of miles per year, that fuel saving adds up to serious money. But the biggest impact is on the driver. Less head movement, less eye strain, less fatigue on 10-hour shifts. A more aware driver is a safer driver, and a safer driver means fewer accidents on roads that everyone shares. This is isn't just a technology upgrade for trucking companies, it's a safety upgrade for everyone on the highway. Some cargo can't afford to arrive in the wrong condition. A single temperature failure during transit can destroy an entire pharmaceutical shipment worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. The Schmitz Cargobull SKO is built to make sure that never happens. Strong insulation and reliable temperature control keeps sensitive cargo, food, medicine, temperature-critical goods stable from the moment the doors close to the moment they open at the destination. But what makes this trailer genuinely smart is what's happening behind the scenes. Advanced telematics monitor cargo status, location, and operational performance in real time. Fleet operators don't have to wonder if everything is okay. They know. Any issue, anywhere on the route, they see it instantly. The chassis itself is built for the long haul. Demanding conditions, high-frequency use, years of operation, the SKO is engineered to keep performing without constant maintenance. In an industry where a single failed delivery can damage a client relationship permanently, reliability isn't optional. The Schmitz Cargobull SKO delivers it every single time. Every year, unsecured cargo causes thousands of road accidents and millions in fines for trucking companies. The Markelin covering system exists to eliminate that risk completely. Instead of manual tarps, ropes, and the time-consuming process most drivers deal with daily, this retractable system opens and closes the entire load area in seconds. One smooth motion, fully secured. Construction debris, agricultural goods, bulk waste, whatever is being hauled stays exactly where it should. No spillage, no weather damage, no liability. But what most people don't expect is the fuel efficiency benefit. The streamlined cover improves airflow around the vehicle. And on long hauls, that difference adds up to real money saved. For fleet operators, this isn't just about safety. It's about speed. Faster loading, faster covering, faster departure, more jobs completed every single day. Simple to operate, built to last, and solving a problem that costs the industry billions every year. This is what smart cargo protection actually looks like. A busy logistics hub loads and unloads hundreds of trailers every single day, and most of that time is wasted waiting for forklifts. The Trapo TLS 3600 eliminates that wait completely. This fully automated loading system detects the truck position, stages the pallets, aligns everything precisely, and loads an entire trailer without a single forklift involved. Multiple pallets, one continuous cycle, done in a fraction of the time, and the ripple effect is massive. Less forklift traffic means fewer accidents in loading zones. Faster loading means more trailers processed per shift. More trailers processed means the entire supply chain moves quicker. For high-volume logistics operations, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete rethink of how loading works. The system integrates into existing dock setups, so companies don't need to rebuild their entire facility to benefit from it. Speed, precision, and safety, all in one automated system. In a world where supply chains are under more pressure than ever, the Trapo TLS 3600 is exactly what modern logistics needed. Coupling a trailer to a truck sounds simple, but in busy logistics hubs, it happens hundreds of times a day, and every manual connection takes time, physical effort, and carries the risk of human error. The UD Tractor X automatic coupling system changes that completely. Advanced sensors scan the trailer position, automated alignment kicks in, and the truck connects itself with minimal input from the driver. No getting out of the cab, no manual alignment struggle, no coupling mistakes. The time saved per connection might seem small, but multiply that across hundreds of daily operations at a large logistics hub, and suddenly it's a massive efficiency gain. And the driver experience inside the cabin is equally impressive. Digital controls, SKO automated transmission, and driver assistance technologies that make long-distance hauling smoother and less physically demanding. Less strain, less error, less downtime. The trucking industry has always been about moving things faster and more efficiently. The UD Tractor X automatic coupling system is the next logical step in that evolution. This is what the future of logistics looks like, and it's already here. Most tire management systems can inflate. The TireMax ProLB does something far more intelligent. It thinks. This advanced system monitors axle load in real time using air spring pressure data and automatically adjusts tire pressure across every single wheel position based on exactly what the trailer is carrying at that moment. Too much pressure, it releases. Too little, it inflates. Uneven across axles, it equalizes automatically, continuously, without any driver input. And it doesn't just respond respond to load changes. It adapts to elevation changes, climate shifts, and road condition variations, constantly protecting the tires and wheel end components throughout the entire journey. The result is better traction, dramatically reduced tire wear, and improved fuel economy on every single haul. For fleet operators running thousands of miles weekly, the savings on tires alone justify the investment. The Aperia Halo we covered earlier maintains pressure. The TireMax ProLB manages it intelligently, dynamically, and precisely. In an industry where margins are tight and every cost matters, smart automation isn't the future of trucking. It's already the present. Most people never think about axles, but in heavy trucking, the wrong axle choice can cost a fleet thousands of dollars in downtime and repairs. The Hendrickson TR Axle exists to make sure that never happens. What makes it different is flexibility. This system works across multiple trailer types, flatbeds, tankers, curtain-siders, and supports different suspension setups and braking configurations. One platform, countless applications. It comes in straight and drop center designs, so operators can match the exact axle to the exact job instead of forcing a compromise. And because it's engineered specifically for heavy loads and high-frequency use, wear is significantly reduced over time. Less maintenance, less downtime, longer lifespan. In fleet management, every hour a trailer sits in a workshop is money lost. The Hendrickson TR Axle is built around one simple idea: keep the trailer moving, keep the operation profitable. Strong foundation, smart engineering, built for the long haul. 10 technologies, 10 problems solved smarter than anyone expected. The trucking industry moves the world, and it's doing it with technology most people never see. Which one impressed you most? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for more. New video every week. See you in the next one.